Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to use Binance Liquidation Calculator. In order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser and in the search bar you will have to type binance.com. This will end you on the official website of Binance, where you will have to click on this login button in the top right hand corner of the screen, and after providing your email address and your password, you simply need to log in into your account. Now once you're successfully logged in, you need to hover over to futures and you simply need to click on it. Afterwards, in the futures chart, you are going to see this type of calculator in the right hand side. So you need to click on this calculator and then you are going to see this type of section in front of you. Now over here you can set it as PNL or target price or liquidation price, max open and open price, and then you are going to see the relevant option associated with the options that you have selected above. Let's say you want to calculate using PNL, so you will have to set it as PNL. After that you will have to select between long and short. Then you are going to see the maximum leverage option over here, so you can set the maximum leverage according to you. Afterwards, you need to enter the entry price, then you need to provide the exit price, and then you need to enter the quantity. After filling all these details, you are going to see the initial margin and PNL and ROE in the right hand side. That will look something like this. Now over here you simply need to press the calculate button and then it will give you the complete calculation of your futures trade on Binance. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.